massive shout out to Nathan.
The Albion Academy is truly an inclusive community. Children and teachers are really combined in doing their best to get the best possible outcomes. There's a real sense of togetherness in everything we do in the Albion Academy, and that's reflected in our mission really, which is to be an inclusive community that celebrates ambition. The pupils and the staff here are incredibly ambitious for each other. The relationships are very warm in the school, and everybody does their level best to get the very best outcomes for the pupils that come to the school.
Students love coming to school because they love the positive environment and the dedication from all of the staff.
The students are really amazing. They're super resilient, they're really hardworking and they're really engaged, and you can see that the students that I teach and across the school, they really want to do well. It's amazing to have such a great cohort of students who thrive to be the best that they can.
Brilliant, well done.
The Academy is really founded on three values: the value of respect, the value of ambition, the value of resilience, and each of those are seen every single day. Every single thing we do in the Academy is built on those values, whether it's our behaviour policy, our academic expectations with children, the way we deal with children. We're very big on the children here being as ambitious as they can be and aspirational as they can be, but we value the little things around respect. So we value uniform, we value pleases and thank yous. We're very big on manners in the school because we believe that creates a truly inclusive community for all.
I think it's a really wonderful school. It's a very interactive, the community is friendly.
I think that school is a very friendly place to learn. Like just the way the staff teach and then the way the staff are with you as people. They always want the best out of you, whether it's academic or whether it's just you as a person. They just want you to reach your potential.
I'm going to go for this bottom right one that's closest to the line.
There are a wide range of clubs. There are physical clubs, there are clubs like basketball, which I personally like to go to, there are football, there's tennis, table tennis, but there are also clubs that are more about culture, like the LGBTQ clubs, the British Sign Language Club. These help to understand how different people in society are, and it really brings that sense of inclusivity to people at the Albion.
Obviously, as you get higher up into the school, you go on college taster days, so then you get to get a feel for college life. Some of the subjects, you sample subjects that you might want to do. And I think it's just a really nice way to boost ambition and just get people to be more aspirational. I want to go into the RAF. Maybe I'm not 100% sure what trade yet, but I know that in throughout year 11 I'll find out what I want to do.
Trust the Albion Academy to do the very best for your child, because we do. We strive every day to do the very best for the children who walk through the door. We strongly believe that exams are a part of education, but character is also massively important. We're very big on our enrichment offer. We're extremely proud of our character offer, and we think that that unique offer of character, enrichment, and a real passion for the best possible exam outcomes will send children into the world as rounded citizens who can really contribute to society.
Yeah, it's really good to be